Hi children, good morning. I hope you are fine at your home and enjoying digital school. I Priyanka Kumari, your subject teacher for subject English 2. Today we are going to learn new lesson rainy day. We are going to learn something new and exciting today, and that is called composition. So you all are ready? Let's begin the wonderful learning. Can you guess and tell me what and all you can see in the picture? Yes, frog is jumping, girl is enjoying in the raindrops, boys is carrying umbrella and he is also is enjoying, and many more. The rainy season begins in June and ends in the month of September. It is a much awaited season since it follows the hot summer season. When rainy season begins? In June, and when it ends? In month of September. On a rainy day, dark clouds gather in the sky. What gather in the sky? Dark cloud. And dusty wind blow everywhere. Suddenly there are heavy showers of rain. People run helter-skelter to take shelter from the rain. What is mean by helter-skelter? Find a place here and there we go to keep ourselves safe from raindrop. Vehicles are stuck in a traffic jams. Children splash water on one another. You all plays na like this. What you do when you see somewhere water is there, you go and what you do? You take that water and you put on one another. Others sell papers board. The schools and colleges declare a holiday when there is a heavy downpour. What is mean by downpour? Downpour means heavy rainfall. It is a quite thrilling day for children. You all love this season na? And when you see the rains, what you do? You go outside and you like to get wet and you like to jump in the water. You do masti, you play like that is called happy monsoon. So let's try now and write a few lines looking at this picture. Thank you. Please subscribe, like, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notification.